Forgotten username recovery failed on thinkorswim fix. If you've been locked out of your thinkorswim account because you forgot your username, you're not alone. Most people make the mistake of guessing their username or using old credentials, but the surprising truth is that your registered email is the key to recovery. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Visit the thinkorswim login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email address associated with your account. Within minutes, you should receive an email containing your username or a secure link to regain access. Step 2. If you no longer have access to your registered email, prepare your full name, account number, and any recent trade confirmations. thinkorswim's support team can verify your identity using these details and guide you through account recovery. Tip 3. Follow the instructions in the recovery email carefully. Check your spam or junk folders if it doesn't arrive in your inbox. Step 4. If all else fails, contact thinkorswim customer service directly. Provide verification details and explain that your username recovery attempts have failed. Their team is trained to securely restore access while protecting your account information. By following these steps, you'll regain access to thinkorswim and resume trading without interruption. Remember, a forgotten username is not permanent. With the right email or verification details, recovery is straightforward and secure.